Welcome, brothers and sisters. I'm Groovy Kim. This is a Zentangle video, another one in a series that I've been doing. You might want to go check out my other ones. They're a lot of fun. Zentangle is a type of meditation, and you can either sit back and relax and just watch or follow along. You can pause the video at any time to catch up if you'd like. But what I like to do when I produce these videos is to speed up the drawing process so that it's in fast motion, time-lapse video. And that's a lot of fun to watch. And also it makes a really long drawing process that would normally take hours and hours, which it did, and shorten it up to a digestible length that's a lot of fun to watch. So, like I say, sit back and enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and hit the like button. That really helps my channel to get noticed. And also, there's a donate button down below. It's called Super Thanks, and it's for donations to my channel. If you'd like to support my channel, please do so by clicking that button. And I really appreciate all my donors. It helps me so much with production costs. And now that I've made this channel my living, it's really important to keep those donations coming in so I can keep producing quality videos for you guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy. All right, I'd like to start off with a circle, just a simple circle. I'm gonna choose a pencil for that. I kind of like to sketch it a little bit and then go back over it with my gel pens and then color it in with my color pencils. I've got this really nice gel pen set. And so let's just start with a simple circle with a pencil. Okay, and we'll go from there. I make it up as I go along, and that's what Zentangle's all about. You don't necessarily have to have a plan. Maybe you've got a basic kind of an idea. That's what I do. I just kind of have a basic idea. I want a freaky flower of some kind, maybe with some interesting geometric shapes or something like that with some neat textures. And then just go from there. Really don't have much of a plan beyond that. And that's what makes it fun. You just make it up as you go. All right, let's get to it, shall we? All right. Well, that took me a few days to complete because of, life and everything. So, if you might notice, the setting where I was drawing changes up a little bit. Sometimes I'm outside at the picnic table, sometimes I'm at my desk. Um, anyway, finished product. Pretty cool, eh? And I noticed that my battery was going dead in some parts, so there might be some gaps in the drawing. But as you can see, that's how it finished, and I just made it up as I went along, like I always do. I've got another one I'm working on here. See, and I missed getting this one on video, but I could probably color it in and put it on video. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I should show you all of my drawings. I've got quite a few in here. This is another one I wanted to show you where my battery was going dead and I didn't get to do it all. But that's kind of cool, eh? I thought so. Yeah. That's in another Zentangle video I have, and you can watch that one. I believe that's up on my channel. This one is too, I think. Yeah. Check them out. Zentangle is a whole lot of fun. That's the bottom line. And yeah, have fun with it. Use it to relax with. It lowers your blood pressure and lowers stress. And that's really good for your health when you can, just relax, let go, and let your mind wander and do something else besides, what we normally do, which is concentrate on our day-to-day worries. And it's good to let go of all of that and do something different. Zentangle. Hold on. There we go. Zentangle. Because it's really groovy. Thanks for joining me.